and he's gonna sit there and continue to eyeball me while I'm trying to end my video instead of closing the door. Instead of coming in and closing the door, he's just gonna stand there in the door.
For the camera now, flick, 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 flick. Pose for the camera now, flick, 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 flick. Pose for the camera now, flick, flick.
Hey YouTube, it's your girl Stephanie here, coming through with another video. If you are not already a subscriber of mine, sorry y'all, please do not forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell down below so you will be notified each and every time I upload a video. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. If you are coming back, welcome back. So as y'all can see, I am still working with these braids, and if you are first time watching this video, I am transitioning. I have probably like a half an inch or so to be, sorry y'all, my phone getting ready to die again. Been out all day shopping. But anyway, so I started using the Kaleidoscope hair growth oil to see if that's gonna work. So I'll be back with an update once I take these braids out, which will probably be in about 2 to 3 months. So stay tuned for that. I did just do some shopping. Went and bought me a new shower caddy. Hopefully, and this looks like it'll be waterproof. Hopefully this don't get any mildew or mold buildup, but we're gonna see how this works because my Dove bottles are way too big and I need something bigger than what I currently have in my shower, which is metal. But I'm hoping this is gonna work, so I'll let y'all know. Went and got me a new mop with a brush on the end. So we got the little sponge thing to mop your floor on the front, and then the little scrub brush in the back. And you got your little thing to help squeeze out the water. Also got this Clorox brush for my tub. I don't really like these. It's like the 5th one I done bought because I keep buying these, but I don't like these. The pole does not extend that long for real. I need something like that comes with like the broom or the mop extension. Got me a few laundry baskets, and it's Febreze, y'all. Can't wait to try this. This is the Linen and Sky, and this is the April Fresh. Actually, I can try it right now. How about that? Oh God, yeah. Oh, this smells so good. This smells amazing. This smells just like the softener. This smells so good. I can't wait to spray this all over my bedroom. So yeah, again, watching McKenna's channel, your girl went and bought some more stuff. So I was looking for this witch hazel that she said that she was using, but this is not the correct one. But I thought that I would try this because it is a blemish clearing toner made by Thayer's. It's a blemish clearing toner with witch hazel, aloe vera formula with 2% salicylic acid, y'all know what I'm trying to say. And it's lemon. It's lemon scented. So I am my purpose for getting this is to see if it'll help. Oh, it don't smell too bad. It kind of smells like a cleaning product though. But I'm purposely getting this to see if it'll help clear up. You can see I got dark spots on my face. You really probably can't see them, but I'm gonna use this and let y'all know if it works. This is the Thayer's blemish clearing toner witch hazel, and it is lemon scented with aloe vera in it. So I'm gonna try this, and I'm gonna use this. It's for acne. I don't too much get any breakouts with acne, but I do have dark spots from post acne, and I just want to see if this works. So I'm gonna start using this tonight. I'm gonna use it twice a day, morning and in the evening, as long as it don't burn my face or dry my skin out. And I will come back and let y'all know if it works. And I'll do some before and after pictures, and I'll post them once I start to see progress. So you'll be able to see where I started, the middle progress, and then the end. So I'll be giving y'all an update on that. And so here's a review. If you didn't watch my previous video, I purchased this new Dove Mousse body wash. So I like the way it smells. As far as it comes out as a foam, so it's like it comes out like a shaving cream, and it says that you can use this as a shaving cream. So you can use it as a body wash and a shaving cream. Maybe I'm not using enough, but I did do 2 pumps of this, and it did foam up nicely in the beginning, but it doesn't like give you a full, it doesn't make you feel fully cleansed, if that makes any sense. So I prefer to just use my regular Dove wash, not too much care for this mousse here. I like it for the smell. I did actually use it in the shower for shaving, but that probably I will probably not purchase this again. I don't care for it. It comes out more like a shaving cream, and it acts as a shaving cream, not actually as a cleanser for your body. I would stick to the soap. So yeah, this is the Dove Mousse. Like I said, you can try this if you want to. I am not too fond of it, but it is a little expensive to be using as just a shaver and not a body wash. I think it was around $5 or $6 maybe. So yeah, and went and got this. This is an exfoliating body polish, and y'all, this smells so good. This is exfoliating body polish, pomegranate seeds and shea butter. I can't wait to try this, y'all. Look what it looks like with them seeds in there to exfoliate your skin, girl. I can't wait to use this stuff. Yeah, I can't wait to use this. I'm all about Dove, y'all. I didn't care for that mousse, but I'm all about Dove. And got my butt wipes, y'all. Get your butt wipes. It is important not to just use tissue because your butt needs more than just tissue. I am going to eventually switch to the all natural, I think it's called Home Sense. I can't remember what it's called, but I'm going to eventually switch to those. But yeah, don't forget your butt wipes, okay? And last but not least, I bought this KP Bump Body Scrub with glycolic acid. This is made by Olive Olay. It is, it says to apply to dry skin and gently massage your target areas and then rinse. And you use this one to two times per week as tolerated. I'm assuming this helps with like the bumps and stuff that are, it says this is, it says Olay's KP Bump Body Scrub with vitamin B3 complex and glycolic acid helps return your skin to its natural beautiful state. Our formula exfoliates away the appearance of those pesky rough bumps on your upper arms, legs, and butt. And I got somebody that's coming in that's going to interrupt my video, so it looks like I'm going to have to go ahead and end my video because I should have put a currently recording in the window, and he's gonna sit there and continue to eyeball me while I'm trying to end my video instead of closing the door. Instead of coming in and closing the door, he's just gonna stand there in the door. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my video since it looks like I'm gonna be thrown off track and I can't finish saying what I want to say. I'm gonna come to a point where I'm not gonna be interrupted, y'all, while I'm doing my video, okay? While I'm doing my videos. So until next time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, notification bell down below if you made it this far. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.
For the camera now, flick, flick, flick. Pose for the camera now, flick, flick, flick. Pose for the camera now, flick.